Hello, lovely humans! Jen Foxbot here. I'm running really late on my Math Mondays episode. We'll get it up. But in the meantime, I was like, oh, I have a box of cool stuff and I can just do an unboxing. So we're gonna scoot back so y'all can see it. Oh my gosh, I'm not used to have to deal with the cable. Anyway, just ignore the cable, pretend it's not there. That's for my microphone. Are we ready to see what's in the box? I'm so excited. I shouldn't wave my hands with scissors. Okay, safe scissor practice. Use the scissors away from your body. Away from your body. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now that I have a 3D printer that's like really solid, I might have bought way too much filament, or just the right amount of filament, from Protopasta. I love their filament. It's really, really incredibly beautiful. So I got a copper orange. I got what is this one? I can't see the color on this one. This is, shiny blue. Shiny blue. It's really hard to see through plastic. I got a really strong opaque white. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna open them. Oh my gosh. I'm also working on getting a good storage bin. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that color. Oh, it pops. Whoops. Okay. My microphone wire everywhere. It's going everywhere. Ooh, what is this one? I have to open this one too. Yay! Oh, I'm so happy. It's called Nebula Multicolor. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm seriously like a kid in a candy store. This is like, I had to stop myself. I was like, okay, that's enough. That's enough. You haven't even, like, I've done test prints and I've been too busy. I was trying to finish this weekend, but I got distracted with some other stuff. Life stuff. Candy red! Ah! Yum! I just want to eat it. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. They're so beautiful. Thank you, Protopasta. And caution to those who get into 3D printing, because filament is gorgeous and there's so many different types. It's so fun. Cool. Okay, well, I hope that this tides you over until I get Math Mondays up. It's coming. All right, have a beautiful night and I'll see you all soon. Bye.